Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful mint condition 2017 GMC Sierra SLT four-wheel drive crew cab. So this is the near top level trim for this vehicle. It has a few added extras to it, and it is one gorgeous truck. This one has Goodyear tires all the way around in excellent condition. No need for tire replacement for a while. These were just done not too long ago. And these are 20-inch wheels on this one, and then you got the nice upgraded blue calipers all the way around, as well as the upgraded Fox suspension system. You can see the four-wheel drive designation there on the door. Power side folding mirrors, tinted windows, LED headlights, as well as fog lights, front and rear park sensors, that nice revised front grille, and then powered by the upgraded 6.2 liter V8. It's a engine that has the ability to go down to a 4-cylinder, so it has active cylinder management. But the 6.2 is definitely much more powerful than the 5.3. You can tell the difference, especially in the drive. I mean, there's no comparison between the engines. The 6.2 is very, very nice. Comes with the 4-wheel disc brakes, the factory running boards. Also has a full leather interior. Audio is Bose sound system, and then power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seats, a rear window, and the power side folding mirrors. We also get the original owner's manual, dual stage glove box compartment, nice brushed nickel surrounds across all the AC vents, and then we get navigation, rear backup camera, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as dual AC heated and ventilated front seats. So ventilated means air conditioning in the front seats. You get a CD player, AM/FM stereo with satellite radio, dual climate controls, and then we get power pedals, dome lighting, park assist, and lane keep assist. And then we also get dual USB ports, 2 charging ports, and then a standard house plug. And then we get plenty of storage here in the center console, dual cup holders, and then a nice large center console armrest with auxiliary connectivity and USB. And then we also get the phone charger, so you can lay your phone here and it can charge your phone. You also get keyless entry with remote start. So all the nice features of the GMC models. And then we get interior LED room lighting, as well as LED illuminated vanity mirrors, so the lights brighten as the visor is open. Got the nice wood grain trim, chrome body side moldings. The GMCs are nice because they give you a little extra chrome than the Chevys do. And then for the rear here, we got an additional charging port, and then we get a fold down armrest with dual cup holders. But leather interior back here, full crew cab, so it's full size, 4 doors. Beautiful black truck. No dings, dents, scratches, nothing like that. Tires are near perfect. Comes with the bed liner and the roll cage from Retrax, and that is lockable. We do have the key for that, and then it is a soft open tailgate, so you open it up and soft open tailgate. And we get the rear backup camera, the towing package, the step sides, spare tire, trailer connectivity, all that's there. If you're looking to upgrade your truck and you want something really nice, really clean, look no further than this beautiful, beautiful Sierra. So automatic windows for driver, passenger front, all 4 windows actually, up and down, and then power locks, power mirrors, the side folding, dual memory seat settings with exit, ingress, and egress. We also get the power seat with the lumbar support, nice clean driver seat, no rips, no tears on any of the leather. You get the trailer braking, as well as the 4-wheel drive and the automatic headlights with fog lights, and then our turn signal with front interval windshield wipers, beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. Buttons include cruise control, front collision warning, heated steering wheel, as well as voice command, and then plenty of menus to scroll through on the front display here. And And then we also get the ability to display the speed with the speed sign readings. So to get the traffic sign alert, so that's a nice feature there. It can display the mileage, fuel economy, tire pressure, down to empty, so very nice. Transmission temperature, your two-wheel drive. And then this touch screen, and then you have your apps, your navigation, audio, phone, weather, so all that nice, those nice features. And then our rear backup camera, and then it does move with the steering wheel. Again, another nice feature. And then we get the auto dimming rear view mirror, OnStar, home link, and then LED map lighting, and then we get the power rear window. So that's working, no problem there. And then the driver's side illuminated vanity mirror. You get 146,000 original 2-owner miles, no reported accidents, auto check certified. AC's ice cold. Bose sound system sounds great. The 4-wheel drive works perfectly, engages correctly. It has the 8-speed transmission, and everything is ready to go on this truck. So if you want your next truck and you want to upgrade and elevate to something that's really clean, really nice, got the Fox Racing Spring upgrade, got the new tires on it, got that beautiful black color, 4-wheel drive, SLT, look no further than this gorgeous 2017 GMC Sierra. You can find the Sierra exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.